Hey. Hello and welcome back to the Sned Shed. We are here working on our 1986 Toyota FJ60. If you haven't been following along, this started off as two different vehicles. One that was really rusty and one that was wrecked. We cut them both in half, took the best parts of the two, welded them back together, and we are now at the point where we are preparing it for a rotisserie. So that's probably what we're going to work on in this video. We're going to get the other B-pillar on, we're going to start patching the floor, and then the rotisserie is actually supposed to show up today. So we're either going to get it on the rotisserie in this video or get it pretty close. So stay tuned. All right, so I don't know if we showed it very well in the last video, but in order to get the B-pillar back on, got to prep it a little bit. From drilling out all the spot welds, we just got to sand these down, get some of this surface rust off of there. He's gonna work on getting all these sanded down, all these leftover spot welds, and getting this surface rust off of there, and sanding down these, and the welds and stuff. So then we can get the B-pillar on. Time to get the B-pillar on. Got welds cleaned up, steelet has been applied, B-pillar is ready. All right, the rotisserie has shown up. It is in this box. We're gonna crack it open, take all the parts out, put it together, and talk about how we're gonna get the car on it. We're gonna be able to roll it around so good. This is a rotisserie. Basically, car goes here. We got mounting points. So we're gonna move this under the car, mount it to the floor supports. What are they called? Body mounting places. And then there's jacks on both sides, so we can move it up. And then this, you can rotate it, you can manipulate it, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So this will kind of test if the welds are strong, and we're gonna do it. right, it's all hooked up. We're all hooked up. Now is the moment of truth where we get it off the jacks and supported by only the rotisserie at the very ends. Let's rock. We are jack free, baby. Jack free ain't nothing but a thing. Oh, we have to prove it though. They don't actually know until we take the jacks out. That is going to be it for today's video. We got the rotisserie assembled, we got it put together. Most importantly, we got the car on the rotisserie. We got the other B-pillar on and some of the other welds finished up. And basically what the rotisserie now allows us to do is to be able to work on the underside a little bit more easy. Some of the welds on the inner rockers will be easier to get to. And then especially the roof will be easier to kind of put together and get the welds. So in the next video, we're going to be continuing cutting out the floor, fixing up some of the rust spots, getting the welds done on the inside, and potentially working towards getting the roof on if we make it that far. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this content, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.